of Air Forces, Stephen Kigundu, has passed away, according to the report by the spokesperson of Uganda People's Defense Force, Felix Kuyonja, said that the keys was found dead in his residence, in his bathroom. The location of the home is in Entebbe. The thing happened on Sunday, that is Easter Sunday, yesterday, on the 31st. He also added that the officer was well off without any sickness the whole day until he met his death in the evening at his home. He was found dead. May his soul rest in peace. It's a common phenomenon in Africa for the army officers and big figures to pass away just in such a kind of manner. We send heartfelt message to the family, and may God give them comfort. Thank you.